Hey everyone, so it is the Saturday before Father's Day, and I've been out and about all day. I feel like just running the streets, doing last minute shopping, of course. And I'm back home, I'm comfortable. I have on my husband's t-shirt, which is what I always wear. It's like I can only get comfortable when I put on his clothes, which is so crazy. I sleep in his clothes, whatever. So I'm in my comfort zone. It's the equivalent of a woman coming home and taking off her bra. I take off my clothes and put on my husband's t-shirt. So I'm nice and comfortable, and I was just sitting here and I said, well, I could do a video real quick. Well, tomorrow's Father's Day, so I first want to say Happy Father's Day to all of the fathers out there in the world. If any of you are as fortunate as I am to have a fantastic father like I have, and always had growing up, that is such a blessing within itself. My dad is a phenomenal man. He was the epitome of what I look for in a husband. He was the epitome of what I look for in life in general. Still to this day, he's a fantastic father. And any of you know him, his name is Jerome Andrews. We call him G Money. So if you see my dad, y'all tell him I said Happy Father's Day, and you saw my video, and that you heard how awesome of a man he really is. So I definitely want to say that first and foremost. But on to the other stuff. I want to, first of all, thank you guys so much for being a huge support of me so far. I've only been making videos not even a month yet, and the support that I've received so far has been very overwhelming, and I'm very, very appreciative of everything you guys do. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for just entertaining my foolishness with me rambling on these videos. Thank you for watching my makeup videos. As many of you know, it's definitely my dream to become a makeup artist. So I decided one day, you know, why play around with it? With tons of encouragement from my husband and just family and friends, you know, they've convinced me that, you know, if this is your passion, then you need to go towards it. And you need to walk in that direction. And, you know, with God's help, that's what I've been doing. So I'm so happy that you guys can be with me on this journey as I step over into unknown territory and into the makeup artist world. So with that being said, I want to ask that each of you check out my blog, and that's ChrissyWoods.com. And on my blog, I try to put just useful information. I always put my YouTube videos and things like that there. But on the blog, it's just beauty tips, just things that I come across that have worked for me that I like to share with you all. Facebook is kind of funny sometimes. They don't like you to put a lot of links from other sites on Facebook. They think it's spam. So it's kind of difficult for me to always promote my blog on Facebook. So I decided to make a video to tell you guys about my blog. And I'm going to list it down here below. So if you guys could just check that out and subscribe to the RSS feed, and that way you will always be, you know, notified on what I'm rambling about today. I do try to film several times a week, and I'm going to try to do YouTube videos, at least makeup, at least twice a week, if not more. And I'll also start doing random vlogs now that I have my camera, so I'll be doing more things just to kind of show you what a day with me is like. Sometimes it's exciting and sometimes it's not, but whatever, it's something to do, something entertaining. And also, for those of you who have not, I ask that you please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll list that in the bottom bar also. And speaking of bottom bar, any videos that I make, any information that you want to know, always click that bottom bar. It's a button that says show more. If you click that in the YouTube channel, if you click show more, I always list the products that I'm using if you don't catch it in the video. And sometimes I even list where you can get them from and the price and things like that. And if I can find a coupon code, I'll put a coupon code down there as well. So please make sure you guys check out the bottom bar. It takes a while to type out all of that stuff, so I would truly appreciate it if it was of any help to you guys and you looked at it. And last but not least, I want to let you know that I do have some things in the works. Lots of you have been asking me, do I sell makeup? And I'm tying together some loose ends right now, making sure that the products are what I stand for, because y'all know me, I'm not going to put my name on anything if I don't like it. Not that I'm some celebrity or anything, but you know, you're only as good as your name, so I want to make sure I stand by the products. So once we get all that tied in, I'm sure I'll be having some really exciting things for you all, because I mean, makeup has truly become a passion of mine now. So I want to make sure everybody who's experimenting or who's into makeup, I want to make sure you guys are using the best products for your skin and for what you're looking for. And last but not least, I also want to tell you, of course, about a business opportunity. I'm going to list my website here below. And for many of you who have seen me talk about this before, you kind of get the gist of it, but I'm not sure if you really understand what it is. It's not a sales group or whatever they call it. This company actually teaches you how to run a successful business. And I mean, if it wasn't for this group, it's a lot of things I wouldn't know right now. A lot of you wouldn't be seeing the videos that you're seeing now without me learning the things that I've learned from this company. And I'm very fortunate because it's also helped me earn an extra income. So, you know, I just want to extend that to you guys. You know, many of you are in positions where you can earn extra money. Many of you are in positions where you're unhappy in your current job and you want to change and you don't know how. Many of you want to learn how to even start your own business and you don't know where to start. This company that's what it does. It's there for you. If you have a product, if you make jewelry, if you do hair, if you cut hair, whatever your passion and your trade is, this company helps you to promote that trade. So I would invite you to visit this website and I will personally walk you through everything you need to know. Is there a fee to start? Of course, you got to invest in yourself. But guess what? That fee is only $25. There's no overhead. You know, $25 is a minimal overhead to get you started in a business that could absolutely change your life, as it has mine. So I want to invite you to check out that website. If you have any questions, my email address will be listed below. You can email me. And I'll be answering all of your questions and concerns that you may have. But I do invite you to at least check it out and just see if it suits you and your family. But I guarantee you, once you step foot into this business opportunity, your life will be changed for the better, and you will be glad that you did. So with that being said, you guys have a great Father's Day weekend. Be safe. Always put God first and follow your dreams. Thanks so much for watching, and until the next video.